In this video I have show you the highest cryptocurrency earning site. Now you can see only one coin on my balance. This is the all earning steps. First I have show you how to complete short link. Now just click on any short link and complete processing. Short link is completed, and I get it coins. Now check my main balance. This is your referral link and your referral commission percentage. This is the PTC ads. Just click on any ad and watch the ad. After finish the timer, verify and get coins. After finish the ad timer, verify you are not a robot. For more earning, watch full tutorial.